A planned move in RAMP is a scheduled activity to move devices from one rack location to another. Planned moves will save the user time and effort by maintaining asset history and properties during a move project. To perform a planned move in RAMP, follow these instructions. Step 1. Create a planned move. Open the RAMP settings menu and select Planned Moves from the list. On this page, you will see a list of planned moves and the status of each project. Step 2. Create a new planned move activity. Click the Add button, enter a name, start date, and completion date, then click Create. This will open a new page where you can set up the new planned move. Step 3. Adding devices to a planned move. Click the Settings button for the planned move. Click Add a rack and select the starting rack location and ending rack location for the assets in the planned move. You will see the rack elevations for these racks on the screen. Drag the assets from their starting location to their new ending location. The ending location is where the devices will be once the planned move project has been completed. These devices will be outlined with a yellow background. Step 4. Generating reports. Once a planned move has been configured, you can download a PDF report of the move details by clicking the Report button and selecting PDF Report. Step 5. Starting the planned move. Once the move project has begun, click the Start button to let RAMP know that the planned move is in progress. Step 6. Completing the planned move. Once the move project has been completed, then click the Complete button for the planned move in RAMP. This will tell RAMP that the move can be processed, and it will automatically move all of the devices to their new locations. Following these steps will make the process of planning and moving devices in RAMP more manageable for the end user.